Okay, so we're going to try and create a straight edge here using our table saw. So this is the edge I'm working on right now. Okay, and as you can see, because the one edge is a little rough, I don't get as clean as fit between this. I know this is a good edge. I know this is my rough edge. So what I want to do is I want to cut this edge and make it much straighter and see if I can reduce that gap. Okay, so that's the trick we're going to try and do using our table saw and that piece of MDF as a joiner. So again, what you want to do is you want to take your piece of MDF, your straight edge, and put it up against your fence. Okay, so let's see if this is going to work. Okay, this is the edge I want to cut right here. So my fence, my straight edge of my MDF up against there, I've already preset the height of the blade and the width between here and here. All I'm going to be doing is taking off 1/8 of an inch. Okay, so just going to slide that back there. And what you have to do is you have to keep the wood straight to the fence, up against the fence like this, and you have to move your wood and the MDF at the same time with each other. Okay, let's see if we can do this. Alrighty, let's see if it accomplished what we wanted to accomplish. Again, that was my straight edge. I knew that was going to work. And there we have I think a better fit. I might work on it some more, but there you can see, you know, it is a nicer, cleaner fit. If I get it on a flat surface, I think it's going to be better. Again, you can see how it's more closely aligned there. Okay, so again, that's one way of getting a cleaner edge using your table saw as a joiner.